Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to view text message delivery report on your mobile phone. It's very easy and simple. First of all, go to settings. Now scroll down, find an option of system apps. There is system apps. Now click on this message button. Some mobile don't have system apps, then you have to go through search bar in settings. Go to search bar and search here messages. I write here messages. Now here you have an option of messages in system apps. Click here and you will be there on that slide again. Click on this option. Now right at top you can see fetch SMS delivery reports. Click here. Now you can click on which SIM you want to turn it on. I turn on at first SIM. Now go to your conversation on text messages. I click on this conversation. I send a message to my friend. Long press on a message and now here you can see view report. Click here. There is report. The message is still pending. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.